Hi, this is Christy at Aiming for Adventure. Today we are going to do an unboxing video of something new that I got right here. Okay, so so like a week ago I went kayaking and I did a video. And I got to a certain place where it got extremely windy and it was very hard to hear what I was saying. So it was suggested to me that I get a microphone so that people can actually hear what I'm saying in my videos, and I completely agree. So my husband went and got me this microphone after watching my video. So thank you very much. Yay! So we're gonna do an unboxing video of this. I don't know what's in here. Let's find out. Okay, so what did we get? All right, so I got a microphone made by MOVO. MOVO. It is a VXR10 Pro. That is what we got. So let's see what we got inside. Let's open it. Oop, we got stuff coming out. Box is empty. Alright, let's see. MOVO creators wanted. A little not happy card. That's fun. Alright, let's share. Let's see if we get this the right way. Alright, so we got happy, not happy, happy, not happy. They want to know about it. Let's tell them. We'll have to use it. I mean, we're just going to see what the heck's in the box right now, and then we'll use it. Alright, so then we also have an instruction booklet of how to hook it up, what do you got inside, what do you do with it, what's the difference, what's the difference, tell me what the difference is. We're going to find out. Alright, cool little case. This is nice. Excuse me. You know I always have my coffee, right? Okay. It looks like I opened it upside down. Alright, well there's a nice little, it just opens right up and it has a nice little side pouch here with a zipper, so I suppose we can put stuff in there once we use it or something. We'll see what the case may be. We have, looks like a fur jacket. Looks like a little fur jacket for our microphone. Alright, and then we have our microphone here. Oh, that's nice. Let's see here. You can really see it. Alright, there we go. Little fuzzy guy. Put that back together. We also have what looks to be an input-output wire. Looks like that's going to your camera. Ah, yep, that one goes to your camera, it says. Here we have another one. Microphone goes into your microphone jack. That one will probably plug into our laptop or our phone. I guess we'll see in a minute. And here's that nifty holder that they had. See in the picture they have here this little guy. Looks like your average tripod stand, honestly. So you have like your average tripod stand that you can just screw that right into. And then this must go right around here. Pull it out a little. Just put that right on. Let's see. How easy is it? Let's see. Don't hurt me. Don't break it. Whatever you do, don't read the directions first. Don't do that. All right, we're going to read the directions first, folks. We're going to pause. I'm going to go read the directions, which was in this book here, on how to put that on so that I don't break anything. And how to put this on this. That looks fun. I'm sure we just like put it right over there. Let's see. Let's see how easy it is. We're going to go this way. Oh yeah, there you go. So like I'm going over it down like this. Just slide it on. And slip it over and slide her on. Let's see how it works. Get in there. Okay, we're in. Oh, look at that. All right. That's really fun. So this is supposed to get rid of all the wind that we hear so that you guys can actually hear my voice. So we're going to use this moving forward, and hopefully we can hear better in all the videos. This should make it more fun. All right. Well, Well, that is all that is in this box, guys. So we'll go from here. I'll figure out how to put this on later. All right, guys, I finally got it on there, and it took a minute. This red part on the bottom, you have to unscrew this black part all the way, and it kind of loosens it up a little bit. But I had to shove that on very forcefully, and I was afraid of breaking it. I was, but it didn't break. It went on just fine. I also took off all of these pieces, so the fuzzy fur jacket, and the fuzzy part on the inside. I took all those off, and then I got the red part on. So I have tried it, and it totally works. It seems to work very well. It picked up the sound, and in fact, I'm using it right now. Thanks for watching. Again, this is Christy at Aiming for Adventure. Please subscribe down below, and if you have any questions or comments or would like to see any kind of videos, please let me know. Thank you again.